Why don't you try taking some of your favorite snacks?
Really? That's great. Now let's see. Wheat bread, onions, string beans? I know. I think I need some blue chips, lots of cheese, some walnuts, and some apple juice. Okay, Dr. Beanson, I have all my own snacks for an adventure to Dr.
The weather service has been issued a snowstorm. If you are inside, stay inside. If you are outside, go inside. Thank you.
PBS's house.
Really? That's wonderful. What have you got here?
Cheese, walnuts, apple juice, and blue chips.
That's a good idea. Let's go.
10 minutes later.
This apple juice is wonderful. I can't wait to have some.
I'm eating some blue chips and some cheese, Dr. Beanson.
Lots of spaghetti.
I'm eating walnut.